Then what happened? Once you just look at the picture, he is moving around a garden or a path. Okay. So as far back as I can remember, the crow attracted me because it was so alive on the landscape. Alive in the landscape means what? The things which are present in a land, I have written it. All things which are visible on a piece of land. The crow was very black in color. Also on a piece of land, the crow can very easily be visible. In our garden, it stood out black against the green trees, blue sky, red earth, and the yellow wall. Other birds are shy and try to hide themselves, but the crow is very clever. It can look after itself very well. So, what R.K. Lakshman said? R.K. Lakshman said that now other birds little bit hide themselves. Okay, but the crow did not hide himself because he is very clever and he know how to protect him. Okay, so I never grown out of this childhood fascination for the crow. I have painted hundreds of crows, singly and in a group, from near and far, and in many moods also. Sometimes I put crows in my cartoons. My crow paintings have gone to many countries. One of them hangs in the faraway island now. So Iceland, in one of his painting, which based on the crow, that also hangs in a faraway Iceland now also. Okay. I was about 9 or 10 when I decided to be an artist. Now what happened? He wanted to become an artist because he has no mood for learning. He just wanted to be a painter or a cartoonist. I would cycle for 10 miles around our home to find interesting landscapes to paint. Mysore was a good place for this, full of trees, streams, hills, and old ruins. Old ruins means remaining part of the old monuments. I also learned a lot of attraction, a lot by looking at illustrations in the foreign magazines. So in foreign magazines, what are the different types of cartoons or pictures? He just look that pictures very carefully and learn from them. The cartoons were a special attraction. I began to draw cartoons and found the local papers willing to publish them. I must have done well because I was asked to draw posters too, for the defense program and for adult education. So he was asked to draw poster for the defense programs and for the adult education. So that's why he was a little bit busy. But I earned from that he also can able to manage his pocket money, and never had any trouble my parents for it. He never asked for his pocket money from his parents. When Narayan's story began to get published in the Hindu magazine, Narayan means R.K. Narayan, his brother. Okay, he was a famous writer at Madras. He asked me to illustrate them. Illustrate them means just draw. They draw that title of the book in the magazines or newspapers for the publishing, for the advertisement. I knew exactly what he wanted and whom he had in mind. For his characters, did not we belong to the same place? Had not I spent hours in every spot around us, including the busy market squares? As I drew hundreds of pictures, I picked up the techniques quite naturally. So, by painting different things, R.K. Lakshman got an experienced person, and he could able to now draw anything without seeing also. Okay. As I draw hundreds of pictures, I picked up techniques quite naturally. Trial and error taught me to use brush and paint and ink. Others beside Narayan began to ask me to illustrate their stories for them. Okay, R.K. Narayan also wanted that R.K. Lakshman should draw some pictures for his story, so that he could able to put that story in his storybook. After this, I tried getting a job as a cartoonist in New Delhi. The Hindustan Times told me I was too young to be a newspaper cartoonist. I was more successful in Bombay. I got work in Bleach and the Free Press Journal. Okay. So, besides cartoons, I did comic strips telling the stories of Tantri, the magician, and other heroes. So, besides being a cartoonist, he also wrote some comic books. Comic books means, you know, na, the book consisting of the dialogues along with the pictures. Very soon I made a name for myself and joined a big English newspaper, The Times of India. For 47 years, I have been drawing cartoons for its front page. A stamp was brought out to celebrate the 150th year of this newspaper, and the picture on it was one of my cartoons. Yes, I have worked very hard and long, but I have not forgotten that you can see the world through pieces of your colored glasses. Whatever. So, what is the meaning here? Means, according to R.K. Lakshman, how you can see the world, you can just see it. Okay, that is up to you. If you can see it as a good and you can do anything here, then it is good for you. If you fear that you cannot do anything, then you cannot do anything here. Nor have I lost my love for these noisy blackbirds which are away around us, managing to survive. I continue to paint crows with as much enjoyment as I did on those long ago days of a carefree childhood. So when he was a child, he was painting the crows. Now also he just doing that things also. He just draw the pictures of crows. When each day was exciting and very hour brought adventures. Okay. So this is all about the story of R.K. Lakshman. Thank you. In the next class we will discuss the question answers. Okay.